So we're here on a farm today. This road here is about 400 meters long and it's absolutely full of potholes, but that's fine, we'll sort that out pretty quick. See here, we've got right down to the base, and then from there we work our way across the road. You can see pretty hard, and then it'll help get the water off so you won't have the same potholes. Once this is all mixed up, you'll get an even consistency of material. There's plenty of fines in there, so we'll end up with a really good result. Standard wheel packing with the vehicle's fine because we haven't put material back on a hard surface like normally happens with a road grader or a back blade on your tractor. The material combines together and creates that solid mass the way it should be. The potholes have been ripped out, and as you can see now, it's looking pretty good.